All right, everybody, Saturday morning, Fall Creek, Wisconsin, 1 minute walk to work, and here's what I'm thinking about today. So first of all, it's 4 degrees out, which means that the 1 minute walk to work is going to turn into a 30-second drive to work very soon. Second thing I'm thinking about is that, I don't know if you've seen this aging challenge on social media, but it got me to thinking about things years ago. And so before I was a principal and after I was a teacher, I was a counselor in Ashwaubenon, Wisconsin. So I used to go into classrooms, and when I went into classrooms, we'd do an icebreaker activity to kind of start. And one of the icebreaker activities that I did was I told kids we were going on this picnic, and they had to bring something to the picnic, but they had to figure out that the thing that they could bring had to start with the same letter as their first name. So, Peter could bring pizza, San Filippo could bring soda or whatever. And so fast forward 10 years later, and I'm back in Ashwaubenon connecting with a former student who actually just graduated with an education degree. Congratulations, Jake. And of course, so we get in that moment, and we take the selfie, and we post the selfie, and there was a response to the tweet. It said, "Are you bringing sandwiches to the picnic?" And I had to look at it for a second, and I'm thinking, what is he talking about? But then I realized that it was from the activity. Now, here's the thing about the activity. I did it one time, 10 years ago, and that's what the kid remembered. It got me to thinking, every interaction matters because we never know which one they're going to remember. So the leadership challenge for next week is simply this. Be intentional with every interaction because it could be the one that they talk about 10 years later. We work with kids. I got to be honest. I can make you a promise. You're going to be remembered. The only question is how. That's all I got, man. We're all in this thing together, people. Have a great week, everybody. Go Crickets!